YouTube people, welcome back to more review action. Today we're going to be checking out another wallet, this time from Pularys. Let's go ahead and start this journey together. Yeah, see, it says it right there in the box. But I don't really necessarily know how to open up this box, so I'm just going to kind of get into it without the knife here today. There we go. DHL, by the way, and they don't mess around with some shipping times. They get that stuff out to you pretty quickly. Look at that. That was made for you. Got a nice little filler in here.
Alright. Looks like here it is. Let's check this out.
Upon closer inspection, there's pull tabs on there. So the airplane, it's like a pull tab right there. See that? Yeah, could have pulled it right there. Yeah. All right, so as we check out here what was included in the box, I have to tell you, I was really impressed with the commercial Pularys is putting out on their YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and link that below, but it got me pretty excited to open up this wallet and check it out, seeing where it was made and how it was made. Pretty all right. So anyway, this is what we have today. We're going to be checking out the Nordic in a Nomad leather, a brown. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This, by the way, it's kind of like some awesome little marketing, if you will. They're giving you a postcard for your adventures. First look together, people. Looks like we have a card. Oh, it's like a catalog in here. Okay, look at that. Good on you. And now, the unveiling, shall we? So let's just go ahead and slide this puppy. Ooh. Look at this. All right. So right off the bat, I am loving this leather. Wow, I can smell this. Yep, went in for a good smell test. That is some strong, nice, beautiful leather smell. This is looking nice right away, people. Look at this thing. I love this style. Look at this. There's the, looks like the trigger mechanism down on the bottom. That's a little bit different than what we've seen in past wallets, so that will be interesting to check out. Let's go ahead and unsnap it. I have to tell you, the stitching is raised on here, so you can definitely feel it. I like that. It kind of gives it kind of like a grip, a little bit of texture. Man, that looks nice. We got $100 in there. Look at that. All right, so we have, obviously, here's our little money band. Looks like we have a slot here. We have RFID protection on this as well, so we don't have to worry about people trying to get our information, taking that from us. We are protected, RFID. So we have 2 pockets here for cards. We have our inner compartment here for cards, and then we have our money clip. So it looks like there's actually quite a bit of room in this wallet, and it folds up pretty nicely. Again, this, love the quality on this. Oh man, it feels great. Let's go ahead and try this trigger out here. Of course, I have a card loaded in there. It feels pretty good. The trigger pull is pretty nice on it. It's a little bit different, obviously, again, than what we've shown in the past with other wallet companies, but I kind of like this one better. It feels almost more natural. Can definitely get it with the pinky there too. Yeah, I kind of like this pull. It feels like a natural pull. You do have to kind of turn it, so you can't access it that way. That's probably the only downside of it. But it does feel like a more natural kind of like pull or lever to get those cards out than on the other wallets we have. I like that. Couple other things I noticed. This kind of seems like it has a pull tab right here, which is kind of useful for the money. And right here, look at the stitching. The stitching's coming right through on this leather. That's awesome. Like that. This is just, I love this pattern. Pretty sweet. Let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts on the pattern, people? I love it. All right, went and loaded a couple cards in there, so go ahead and give it the trigger pull here. See how it feels. You know, it kind of, you definitely, I don't know how to say it. You definitely feel it. It's like a firm pull. I like it. The only thing is you're going to be taking this out of your pants and whatnot, and perhaps you're going to have to go ahead and, you know, kind of turn it to get that trigger. But otherwise, this is a really nice trigger pull. Nice and firm. All right, pocket test. Let's throw it in. Jiggle that thing around, get it situated. Let's go ahead, take it out. Yeah, easy in, easy out. You do have to move it around once in a while to line up with the trigger. But other than that, nice easy pull. Nice wallet. All right, here it is, good people. I'm gonna give the Pularys wallet a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5, 100 out of 100. I think this is definitely gonna become my everyday carry for a wallet. I love the style, simplicity. I love the function, and also it's lightweight. All right, people, fully unloaded, the wallet weight, 2.8 ounces. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.